This is R.D. Sharma solution, class 12th, chapter 6, determinants. Exercise is 6.2. In this question, you see, we have a cube, b cube and c cube on the right hand side. That means we will need this cube somewhere. So how do we do this? See the pattern. The pattern is that we multiply this whole matrix and determinant by ABC divided by ABC. You see the first because A is the first column, we are multiplying by A because we will get A cube. So A cube B, A cube C, first column. Second column, we are going to multiply it using B. So B goes inside. It will be B cube A 0 and B cube C. When we multiply this by C, what do we get? C goes inside, it will be C cube A, C cube B and 0. Right? Now from the first, second and third, can we take something out? Yes. From row, we have multiplied two columns. Now through these rows, we are going to take A, B, C common. Okay. So ABC we have taken common. This is ABC already. It gets cancelled. Now what is left here? 0, B cube, C cube. Here we get A cube, 0, C cube, A cube, B cube and then 0. So you can just open it up. How do we open? The first row 0 something minus B cube. What do you get? Then plus C cube. What do you get? B cube if you take, it will be A cube and C cube 0. When we take C cube, the intersection of this row and column it has to be avoided. So you get A cube and then C A cube and C cube 0 B cube. Okay. So this is A cube into 0 is 0 minus A cube C cube. What is outside? Minus B cube. So minus become plus. It will be A cube, B cube, C cube. What do you get the other term? A cube, B cube and A cube minus into 0 is 0. So C cube, A cube, B cube. So when you add these two, you will get 2 A cube, B cube, C cube. Okay. This is what you wanted. In this one, you see A, B, C on the right hand side. So you need ABC, whether multiplication or division, ABC is there. So what do we do here? If you multiply this first row by C, you will not get the C in the denominator, C square will get. So ABC multiplication, ABC division. And I am writing it after multiplying it using C. So I am removing it C and I am multiplying it this with the first row A cube plus B cube, C square and C square. Because we are interested in getting ABC on the right hand side. In the second row, we are multiplying it using A. So A square, B square plus C square and then A square. Similarly, in the third row, we multiply it using B. So what do you get? B square and C square plus A square. Okay. What can we do? If you see the first row, let me show you here. This is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3. So row 1, we are changing to row 1 minus row 3, row 2 and row 3. That is row 1 minus row 2 plus row 3. This is also a way of writing it. So what do we get? This A square plus B square minus A square minus B square, that will be 0. C square minus B square minus C square minus B square. So C square gets cancelled. You get minus 2B square. Now C square minus A square. C square minus A square minus C square minus A square. What do you get here? Let me just subtract it. C square minus A square minus C square A square. C square gets cancelled. You get minus 2A square here. Now, next one is, you can stop here also. you can get more zeros. Let me just write it here. A square, B square plus C square, A square. So any possibility that you can get more zeros, because we see A square and we see B square. So we can get so column 2 and column 3, if you see column 2 and column 3, in the row 2 we have A square, in the row 3 we have B square. So we can use this to get more zeros. So I am using the column 2 and applying like column 2 change to column 2 minus column 1, and column 3 change to column 3 minus column 1. So column 2 is column 2 minus column 1. It is not column 3, it is column 2 minus column 1. So minus 2b square, b square plus c square minus a square, and b square minus b square is 0. A square, b square was already there. Now column 3 has to be changed to column 3 minus column 1. Column 3 is changed to column 3 minus column 1. C2 was C2 minus C1, remember. It was C1 minus C1. C3 is C3 minus C1. So minus 2a square minus 0 is minus 2a square. A square minus a square is 0. C square plus a square minus b square you get. C square plus a square minus b square. Now we have got enough zeros. Now we can open it. So I don't have enough space here, but just to recall, ABC is already outside. ABC is 1 by ABC is already outside. Okay. So if you open this, 0 into something, I am leaving it. 0 into something, and this is minus plus, or let us do it using the first column. So minus a square and plus b square. A square you will get minus 2b square. Then here 0. Then you have minus 2a square and c square plus a square minus b square. So c square plus a square minus b square. In b square, what do we get? When we leave the row and column which are intersecting at b square, we get minus 2b square minus 2a square and b square plus c square minus b square plus c square minus a square and 0. So we are cross multiplication, multiplying with a square. Here we cross multiply with b square, just add them. So I don't have enough space, so I'll just tell you here only. This is the step we have already done. Now multiply, just simply multiply. And when you just open it up, you will get various values which can be cancelled, which will be eventually cancelled, right? So this, when you multiply this, minus 2b square into c square plus a square minus b square, because we have zeros in both of the 2 by 2 determinant. So most of the things are going to get cancelled. 2a4 b square, this gets cancelled. Minus 2a square b4, this gets cancelled. You will only get 2a square b square c square and 2a square b square c square. Yeah, that means 4a square b square c square will remain. So 4a square b square c square, and as I said, ABC was already there in the denominator. It was already in the denominator. So 4ABC will be the final answer. On the right hand side, we have AB plus BC plus CA whole cube. So let us see what we can do to get this AB plus BC plus CA whole cube. First, see that in the first column, there is no A with minus BC. Similarly, no B with minus AC and no C with minus AB in the column I am saying. So let us multiply with ABC and divide by ABC. So first column we need to multiply it using A. First we need to multiply row with A into row 1. Row 2 will be B into row 2 and row 3 will be C into row 3. So first row we are multiplying with A. So minus ABC, A into B square plus C, so AB square plus ABC will come. Then multiplying this with AC square plus ABC will come. Right. Now second row has to be multiplied with B. So this is a square b plus abc, and b multiplied by this is minus abc, and then we have b multiplied here, so bc square plus abc. Third row has to be multiplied by c. Row we are multiplying, so a square c plus abc. Now this is b square plus ab, so b square c plus abc, then minus abc. There are a lot of abc's coming. So what is the use? What is the use? When we see here that the column 1, just see here, this is column 1 will take A, column 2 will take B, column 3 will take C. We multiplied on rows with ABC. Now we are taking ABC from the columns. So this gets cancelled. What do we take from here? Column. This is minus BC. This is AB plus BC, and this is AC plus BC. Similarly here we have taken, from here we'll take B common. You get AB plus AC. Here we get minus AC. Here we get BC plus AC. From here in this column we take C common. So AC plus AB, CB plus AB, and then minus AB. Right. Now why do we do this? Now if you add the 3 rows, I am saying R1 plus R2 plus R3, what do we get? When we add 3 rows, row 1 will change to row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Let me show you the first one. I am adding minus BC with AB plus BC plus AC plus BC. So now BC gets cancelled. What do you get? AB plus AC plus BC. And that is what we wanted on the right hand side. AB plus BC plus CA whole cube. Remember? This is what we wanted. AB plus BC plus AC. So we will do R equals, or R change to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So we will add all these three. Every time when we add, we will get AB plus, let me take one more. We are doing for the second column. AB plus AC minus AC plus BC plus AC, AC gets cancelled, AB plus BC plus AC. So all of it, when we add the rows, just assume that we have added it up. AB plus BC plus C has come in the first row, and I have taken AB plus BC plus CA. This is because we have less space. That is why I am just skipping the steps. So AB plus BC plus CA we already got. We have 1 AB plus BC, AC plus BC. Here we have 1 minus AC, BC plus AC, 1 CB plus AB, and negative AB. So now we have 1, 1. Can we do something to subtract? And we need at least 2 zeros. If we get more zeros, then it will be beneficial for us for calculation. Okay. So let me just tell you that how do we do this. We will take column 2 and column 3. Or you can also take rows. So let us try to find out first row. So what we'll do is, column 2 will change column 2 to column 2 minus column 1. And in column 3 will change, column 1 we can change. Column 1 we can change, column 1 to column 1 minus column 2. And column 2 will change to column 2 minus column 3. This we can do. This we can do. This is an option. But you need to find out the best option. So let me just cancel all these out. Column 1 we will change to column 1 minus column 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. AB plus BC minus CB minus AC is going to be, see, let me write it. AB plus BC minus BC minus AB. What do you get? You get AB, you get 0 actually. They are same. AC plus BC minus AB. So we are subtracting. So AC plus BC plus AB. So we are doing column 1 to column 1 minus column 3. Now we'll do column 2 to column 2 minus column 3. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus AC minus CB minus AC. We are subtracting. So minus we can take common, AC plus BC plus AC. BC plus AC minus or minus AB. So BC plus AC plus AB will come. BC plus AC plus AB. Now this last column will remain like this. CB plus AC minus AB. Right. Now we are opening it up. We don't have to open CBC. From the first column we can take AC plus BC plus AB common. From the second column also we can take AC plus BC plus AB common. So column 1 we are taking this whole term. Column 2 we are taking this same term. So AB plus BC plus CA was already outside. Now we have taken 1 from column 1, 1 from column 2. So it has become Q. So we have already got answer. So whatever is inside, it should give you 1 when we take the determinant. So whatever is left, I am writing it because AC plus BC plus AB we have taken common. Whatever is left, I am just writing, and we'll try to open it using the first row. So 0, 0, I am not writing, 0 something minus 0 something. The last one is 1, and what is going to come? 0, 1 minus 1, 1. 0 into 1 is 0, minus minus plus 1, 1, and 1 was already outside. 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 multiplied by this is same. So AB plus BC plus CA whole cube has come. Now this type of question like x plus lambda and then x, this kind of thing we have already done. So the first easiest thing is to just add all the rows. The best way is to do this. So row 1 we are changing to row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. So I'll just add this first row content. X plus 4 plus 2x plus 2x. What do we get? We get 2x plus 2x plus x is 5x and then 4. So I'm doing all the R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here also 5x plus 4. Here also 5x plus 4. Now, what is remaining? 2x, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, and then 2x and x plus 4. Now you can take this 5x plus 4 common from here. When you take 5x plus 4 common from here, what is remaining inside? It will be 1. I'm just doing overwriting here. So this 1 will remain, here 1 will remain, here 1 will remain. Right? What do we do? Now column 1, column 2, column 3. Column 2 will change to column 2 minus column 1, and column 3 will change to column 3 minus column 1. So first column will remain same, 1, 2x, 2x. 1 minus 1 is 0, x plus 4 minus 2x. What do we get? Let me do it, x plus 4 minus 2x. And x plus 4 minus 2x, it will be 4 minus x. So 4 minus x, 2x minus 2x is 0. And now C3 minus C1 we are doing. 2x minus x minus 4, it will be, no, this is going to be 0, 2x minus 2x, and x plus 4 minus 2x is 4 minus x. We'll open it using the first row. So 1 into 4 minus x, 0, 0, 4 minus x. And then we have minus 0 something, minus 0 something, plus 0 something. We are just leaving it. 4 minus x whole squared. So what is outside? You remember we have taken 5x plus 4 already outside. So this is your final answer. 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole squared. Here we need ABC on the outside. Right? So what do? We will take the row 1. We'll add row 2 and row 3 and subtract it from row 1. Because we want maximum zeros to come. There is no other way we can solve it. So we will take row 1, row 2, row 3. We will change row 1 to row 1 minus row 2 minus row 3. You can also write it as R1 minus R2 plus R3. So B plus C minus BC is 0. A minus C minus A minus C. So this is minus 2C. Then A minus B minus A minus B. So you get A gets cancelled, you get minus 2B here. So previously it was minus 2C, this is minus 2B. So what is remaining? B, C plus A, B, C, C, A plus B. Right. Now we need more zeros. So you see C is in 2 columns, BB is in 2 columns. We'll change C2 to C2 minus C3, or C2 minus C1 will be better. So C2 minus C1, and C3 will change to C3 minus again C1. So minus 2C minus 0 will be minus 2C. 0 BC it is, minus 2C minus 0 is minus 2C. C plus A minus B, and C minus C is 0. So we have done this. Now C3 minus C1. Minus 2B minus 0 is minus 2B. B minus B is 0. A plus B minus C it will be. Now let's open it. First row we are using 0. So something will be there, leave it. Minus minus is plus 2C. Inside you will get something. So you get B, C, 0, A plus B minus C. And then we have the 2C here. Then we have minus 2B. So minus 2B. You will get B, C and C plus A minus B and 0. C plus A minus B and 0. Okay. So let's open it. We need ABC, but it is not 3ABC. The answer will be 4ABC. You will just see. B 2C, B into A plus B minus C into 0, that is going to be 0. Leave it. Minus 2B, B into 0 is 0, and 0 minus C into C plus A plus B. So minus is already there, so I just take minus outside, it will be plus C into A, C plus A minus B. So what do you get? 2C. Now let us multiply this first. This will be 2C into BA plus B square minus BC. And this will be C square plus AC minus BC. We have 2C outside, so multiply this. Let us take 2 common first. Let us take 2 common. So just assume that 2 is outside. Now multiply C ABC, B square C minus BC square. What do you get here? BC square plus ABC minus CB square. CB square gets cancelled. BC square gets cancelled. ABC is 2ABC. And please remember 2 was already there. So 2 into 2, 4. 4ABC will be there. So the answer here is not 3ABC, but it is 4ABC. Okay. So please remember it's not 3ABC. It's going to come as 4ABC. And we proved it. These are the all steps you have to perform. Now in this one, let us see one by one, because there are multiple steps which are involved here. And the trick here is, because we need A, B, C on the right hand side and A square plus B square plus C square in the outside. Now in the first column, you see A is there, and column 2 B is there, and column C is there. So we are taking, because we need ABC on the right hand side, so I am taking A from the first, this A from the first column. A we have taken already. So what is remaining is B square plus C square minus A square, A cube, and this 2A square and 2A square. From the second column I am taking B. And then third column we are taking C outside. So I hope you got the idea, whatever is remaining is in front of you. First column, second column, third column, A, B, C respectively we have taken outside. Now, what do you see here? We need A square plus B square plus C square outside. And that also A square plus B square plus C square has to come 3 times. It also has to come 3 times, right? So let us see. This is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3. And how do we do certain computation using the rows and column, or apply the property, so that we get that A square plus B square plus C square outside? There must be some or the other way. Okay. So let us see. The first way is to minus B square minus C square plus A square is there. If we subtract minus 2A square from here, if we subtract row 1 with row 2, that is minus B square minus C square plus A square minus 2A square, when we do, it will be minus B square minus C square minus A square. You can take minus common and that will be b square plus c square plus a square. I hope you got the idea. 2b square is there. When we subtract this, 2b square, it will be plus c square plus a square minus b square. So a square plus c square is already there, and 2b square minus b square is b square. So a square plus b square plus c square. Here also 2c square minus 2c square will be 0. So we are changing row 1 to row 1 minus row 2. Got it? So what do we get? So I'll just write it here, because I just showed you certain terms. So b square plus c square plus a square will come, and when we subtract this 2b square with minus c square minus a square plus b square, again we got a square plus b square c square. 2c square gets 0. Okay. Now we can also do one more thing. What is one more thing? B square plus c square plus a square, you are taking common from first row. I hope you got the idea, because one of the a square plus b square plus c square we will get from here. Now the row 1 is row 1 minus row 2. Now what we can do is, row 2 we are changing to row 2 minus row 3. 2a square minus 2 square is 0. Minus c square minus a square plus b square minus 2b square is minus a square plus b square plus c square. And 2c square minus, so it will be plus a square plus b square minus c square. So this will be a square plus b square plus c square. Again, one of the a square plus b square plus c square can be taken from the second row. What is remaining is like this. Third row remains same. So I am taking a square plus b square plus c square from first row and the second row. So a square plus b square plus c square from first row and second row. So assume that a square plus b square plus c square to the power 2 we have already taken. What is coming inside? Whatever is remaining, I am writing it. It is square. One more a square plus b square c square is still needed. A, b, c also we have already outside. So whatever is remaining, write it. Now just open it. Just open it and you will definitely get a square plus b square plus c square inside. That is what is wanted. So let us just solve it. So final what we have got up till here, ABC was already there outside, and as I said, we have a square plus b square plus c square whole square we have already got outside. What is remaining inside? Let me just write it here. Minus 1, 1, 0. Then we have 0, minus 1, 1. And then we have 2a square, 2b square, and minus a square minus b square plus c square. Okay, let us open it. So first row will open using the first row. As I said, a square plus b square plus c square is going to come, definitely. So minus 1 into, what do you get inside? Minus 1, 1, 2b square and minus a square minus b square plus c square. And this minus 1, and then we get 0, 2a square and 1 minus a square minus b square plus c square. Then also 0 will also come, plus 0 into something, but I am not writing it because eventually it will be 0. So minus 1 into, what do we get here? Because it is multiplied with negative, all the signs will change. A square plus b square minus c square, and this is minus 2b square. And minus 1, here what do you get? This is going to be 0, it will be minus 2a square. Okay. So this is b square minus 2b square is minus b square. So a square minus c square and minus b square. Minus b square. And since negative is already outside, so let us change the sign. A minus a square plus c square plus b square. Minus a square plus c square and plus b square. This is the first time I am talking about, because we have just multiplied it using the negative sign, because negative 1 was outside. Let me write it again. Minus a square plus c square and plus b square. Here minus minus becomes plus. You have plus and then you have 2a square. Now 2a square minus a square is a square plus b square plus c square. So as I said, a square plus b square plus c square has come. It will be cube now, right? Okay, this question we are going to take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much. Take care of yourself.